Can you spiders?
And shut your eyes as though this never was.
The car's got its MOT tomorrow. I found out that it fails an MOT if there's an airbag light on. Some guys take the cluster out and just remove the bulb. Some guys take the fuse out of the cubby hole. I decided to spend £100 on this. Gonna figure out how it works. Hopefully I can just reset it, and hopefully I don't have to take the driver's side door card out to fiddle around with that wire. Let's find out. So of course I had to disconnect the battery while it was in sleep mode. I really need to do these gas struts as well. It makes such a noise. Let's see if it'll unlock. Nice. Will it start? Let's find out. We have lights. Woo! First time. That's not the not a leaky bottle, it's actually just empty, so I just need to fill that up. And then I guess that's handbrake, yep. And then airbag. So I'll fill up the washer fluid and we'll have a look at the airbag. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Let's have a look at this thing. Alright, well that's enough of that. Let's plug this thing in and see what happens. Oh, it's on! Side airbag front right. Oh! It's off! Airbag light's off. And now it's flashing. Why is it flashing? The raise fault codes command has been sent successfully. Please wait 10 seconds. Oh no. Airbag light is off. That's amazing. Might even pass its MOT tomorrow, I hope. Ah, auxiliary water pump. That's the part that I bought and it was the wrong part. Under the bonnet there's a heat control valve that I suspect is stuck in the open position. So I'm going to replace the heater control valve and hope for the best. Oh, I bought the wrong part. Why did you buy the wrong part? Because you're rebelling, that's why. What the hell? Oh my goodness. This is like finger loose. Finger tight looseness. Is that the injector rail? Ha! Just nothing like really important. Okay, washer fluid, reverse osmosis filtered water with a drop of fairy. Do the trick. Full to the max. Guess it hasn't been using any. Alright. I'm actually going to see if I can find a replacement bolt for this because it's pretty rusted. the most rusted bolt in here. I don't know if I've got one that size, but I'll go have a look. Today must be my lucky day. I found the exact right bolt with a washer and everything. Yes, thread's good, seems to be happy. Okay, shiny new bolt. So as far as I know, that's everything that I can do. I mean, I would have liked to replace the water pump filter thing, but I can't. So yeah, we're gonna be holding thumbs for tomorrow. I can't take it for a test drive now because the MOT's expired. So the only drive I'll be able to do is the drive tomorrow, where I drive it to the MOT. So we'll be seeing you then. Today's the big day. MOT in half an hour. Let's hope it's all good.
Take my hand and I will always find a way to pull you up.
To the MOT we go.
As though this never was. And those that call on you, they fade.
I'll adjust them up for it. They're all right.
No. Yeah, you're too kind.
That should have been done years ago. You can see if you look into there,
Yeah. Oh, there we
you're
go.
way below the two lines.
Okay.
It's supposed to go up here. That one's better, but not quite right.
It doesn't drive much. I've just been working on it.
That's what you're supposed to change. That's supposed to fail, you see.
So,
You need to get another cap.
okay, a whole cap.
Yeah, if they do one, yeah, because the seal's split.
Okay. So these weren't working either. Now they're working. They're totally working now.
Close your eyes for a moment now and hear what freedom sings. When time will wait.
Drive shaft boot starting to go down.
Oh no.
You can see that there?
Yeah, the grease here.
Yeah, so the
boot's
grease
starting
coming
to
out.
go.
It's starting to got little tiny pinholes.
Close your eyes for a moment now and hear what freedom has to say. Now listen out as I explain all the time.
Yeah, no, definitely. I didn't even notice it. The car's failed, unfortunately. On the fuel cap, that's completely gone. And then the number plate lights were intermittent. And then start looking for parts, I guess. Sweet, let's go. Refusal, fail, repair immediately, major defects. Fuel cap and the two lights. The CV boot needs replacing. And brake pipe corroded. So I'll have to fix that. And then the near side rear handbrake needs adjustment. And you don't want to make them too tight. I guess it just needs tightening. Let's see if we can get this fixed. Okay, so for the filler cap, the O-rings are like £7. This thing's a little bit bent and worn out. I think I might as well just get a new cap. It's not going to be original BMW because that's £30. You can get an aftermarket one for half the price. So I think I'm just going to do that. I hope I don't get into too much trouble. That's the way it's going to be, man. And now need to get in here. Okay, so it's the whole unit that needs replacing. Damn it, why do I feel like that's going to be expensive? Okay, so I've had a look online at the options for the number plate lights. They are like £20 each for the covers, and then you have to buy the globes. And since these work, they just weren't making a good contact. Thought I'll modify them with a bit of blue tack. I'm gonna clean the contacts. I don't have contact cleaner, but I've got this injector crack, removes dirt, deep penetration to break down rust and remove incrustation. it breaks down rust. So I'm going to use this, clean all the terminals, and then I'm going to use some copper compound, which is like a grease. Hopefully the copper inside allows for conductivity, we'll see. And then if they're stuck in there nice and solid and they don't move around and they clean and have contact with grease, hopefully they will continue to work all the time. I'm going to test it out and see. If it doesn't work properly, then I guess I'll have to go the expensive route.
All the times I fought for you, and I closed his eyes, and so he never was. And those who call on you, they fade away, and close your eyes for a moment now, and hear what freedom sings. When time will wait for you.
Damn it.
Close your eyes for a moment now and hear what freedom sings. Yeah, time will wait for you. Yeah.
Lights on. It's 2 days since the MOT. I got the final missing piece, the fuel cap. Fit that, and I'm gonna drive back to the testing center. Hopefully we get an MOT today. It's just really sticky. What? So now you push it closed and it doesn't stay closed because I suppose this is pushing it, and somehow this thing is not working the way it's supposed to. Looks like a little bit of lube did the trick. It's got the tether attached, it's closed. See, when it closes it doesn't really sit flush, so it needs to be pushing it more from the front. Let me see if I take it out, if I can get it out and bend it a little bit. Look at that. Now we put the tether back on. Moment of truth. Yay, look at that. It's flush again. No play. Amazing. So the last interior thing that I know of is this. It doesn't work. I have one replacement. Try to take this out without damaging anything is the goal. Out? No? You don't feel like getting out? Why is it so difficult to get out? I mean, I looked at this thing. Ah, I got the wrong side. Goes in like that. So it's this side that needs to come off first. Ugh. Jeez, like, why would it come out? From the bottom, maybe? Come on. You know you want to come out. What an absolute nipple. Of course, I'm thinking it just clips out. Meanwhile, see that lovely hole? Of course there's a screw holding it in. Thank goodness I didn't break it yet. What a knob. Okay, I'll leave the screw in there if that's where the screw wants to stay. Well, that works a lot easier, doesn't it? Once the screw's out. Oh no. Just needed putting back together properly. Back in now. Well, this one is a bit scratched up on the surface anyway. This one looks a lot better. Oh, and it opens a lot smoother. Okay, new one's going in. Camera died when I was fitting these, but the only clips I could find that worked with these grey ones, so it's got a grey clip unfortunately, but it gets covered by the seat belt, so I think that's okay. And then on this side, pretty much the same. It's got a grey clip. That's it. Covered by the seat belt. So that's the whole interior. This is recovered, this is recovered, this is recovered. New speakers in there, globes recovered. This has now been replaced. These are replaced, these are refurbed. This has been replaced and refurbed. Whole center console is new except for that. This was repaired here. That was a nasty hole. And refurbed. And the front doors as well, all redone. Trim in the dash, new tape player, all the dash stuff's new, all the vents are new. This is the only thing that's still original that came with the car, and then this that I refurbed. Yeah, all of the lights. One last quick check, turn the lights on. Tap them as much as you want. They're staying on now. Pass with a few minor defects. I will fix those as soon as I have time, I promise. But for now, it's got an MOT.